Hey you guys, just thought I'd make a little video today to show you what's for Sunday supper. Chopping up a couple peppers here, and I got some broccoli slaw. I'll put my peppers in there, fried up, and we'll have me broccoli slaw. I also got a big bag of the organic baby spinach and a big bag of the kale. I'm going to fry it all up in there with some tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and some chicken broth. But I'm going to chop it up first and put it in this big pot. I'll show you how I do my peppers. I'm sure everybody has their own way of doing them, but this is how I do mine. Like this. Do that. And it's literally no waste. That way. And I got these peppers from Costco. They're really good produce. And so, there. And this is what causes heartburn. So, if you don't want that, just cut all the white out. This will make it easier to get to that. But on the yellow, I done got it out, and I cut them the same way. This. But that's what causes your heartburn. All that white. Yuck. Or so Chef Ramsay says. And I believe him. Because I haven't had heartburn with my peppers. And there you go. There's literally no waste. There you go. Drop it in the bowl. The other one. That way you get rid of all the seeds and the white heartburn stuff. And then I just cut them real thin, like that. And I did the same with the yellow one. I'm not going to do it all. I mean, I'm going to do it all, but I'm not going to put you through that. And then just cut them real small. Just like that. Put them together. Throw them in the pot. And I'm going to do 2 whole peppers. Doesn't that look lovely? And I'm also going to be making this chicken in the oven. Chicken wings and then some little drumsticks back there. And these also come from Costco. But don't these greens look lovely? Kale. Oh, so good. But I'll get all that together and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I also wanted to show you this little tool that I just got. This little garlic press. It's so nice. It's like a Rose gold. Oh wow, it matches my nails. That wasn't even planned. But anyway, I bought some fresh garlic from Costco. Got a big bag of it. And I want to try this out and see how it works out. Well, those are just really big pieces. So nice. But I bought a whole bag of it. A huge bag. It was like $5. Seriously, I gotta show you this bag. Look at that. Huge bag of beautiful garlic. I can't even tell you how many's in there. 2 pounds. Yeah, amazing. So I was like, I gotta get me a garlic press. Because it just looks so satisfying. Look at that. It's beautiful. Those cloves are literally that big. I love garlic. These are the big, large ones that would be really good to just bake the whole pod. And then squeeze them out with butter, put butter on them for bread. I haven't done this in a very long time, so I'm glad to be back to doing my own garlic. And I've never had a nice press like this. So let's see. That's pretty big. I'm still going to cut that in half. It would fit in there, but don't want to break it. It's really heavy. It's like really good, like high quality Zule. That's the name of the brand. Yeah, that fits in there nicely. Let's see. Try to turn it towards you so you can see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. Let's drop it back in there. Put another one in. Sorry about that mess. Now let's do this again. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, that makes it easy, you guys. Love it. Love, love, love. Look at that. Fresh, beautiful garlic. I like it. Yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, that's the easiest time I've ever had with garlic. So, yes, I highly recommend this, and I got it off of Amazon. Love it. Yes. The press from Amazon and the garlic from Costco. I love Costco stuff. But, yes, I'm going to put that in our pot too. I'm also going to put some olive oil. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Alrighty, I just wanted to share that with you, and we'll be right back. I also wanted to show you guys too. I just run it under cool water. Just rinsed right out. Cleans up very easily. Heavy duty. I love it. It's awesome. Okay, you guys. My oven is hot. So I'm now going to put these wings in the oven. See, I'll put my chicken on parchment paper. And every now and again, I'll check it and turn it over. It's been seasoned. And I use the Mrs. Dash unsalted, but it's awesome. So our chicken's in the oven. Then we're going to get some olive oil for this. And I'm going to go get that out of storage and I'll be right back. And I use the Kirkland's brand olive oil. And that's what I like to cook with. And now I'm going to add this big onion. And this is how I do my onions. That way they're already like chopped that way. And they just cook apart. Fine. And see, that way they're mostly all chopped pretty fine. So there's not a lot of chopping left to do. Just remember, cut it in half and then slice it on the ends. Chop it up. That's how I do mine. And I used the whole onion. My olive oil. Oop, kind of missed. And there we go. Oh yes. It smells so good. Got our olive oil in there, our onions. Whoops, there's a big piece. We need to chop that a little more. But mostly they're all. So we'll let this caramelize up good and cook down. And we'll come back and add our broccoli slaw. Is what we'll add next. And then we'll add our kale and baby greens. Yes, check that out. Cut me a big one. And this is magical. It has everything in it you need, except salt. I get the dash, see, with salt free. That way you get all seasoning, and then you can add your own, sea salt or whatever. But yeah, oh, it smells really good in here now. All right, let that cook a little more. It's seasoned. It's all chopped up nice and fine. Good to go for now. Okay, you guys, that's cooked down and caramelizing really nicely. It's all really soft. And now I'm going to put in my broccoli sauce and mix that in really good. Oh, look how pretty. All that mixed up good. Oh, that looks really nice. Yep, I figured we needed a good dose of power food. So now we're going to let this cook for a while. Okay, you guys, this is cooking down beautifully. It's all nice and tender now. So I'm going to add in big can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. And then we'll mix that up good. Try not to drop you in the pot. Oh, that smells so good and looks so good. Okay, I'll let that marry up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the chicken broth next. And you basically are going to need quite a bit of this for your greens. Okay. This is absolutely so beautiful. And remember, these are all power greens. Goodness. Good for you. Okay, we'll let this cook up a little bit and we'll come back and add some kale. Okay, you guys, I'm also going to have rice with my greens and chicken. So you use in the rice cooker 6 cups of water and 1 bag of this rice. Okay. Sorry about that. I'll just spin it around a little bit. Whoops, I need a wooden spoon for that. Spin it around a little bit. And here shortly, I will have perfect rice. There we go. Put the lid on and put it where the little holes away from you. And put it on. Cook. Boom. Walk away. And now this is starting to cook a little bit. Okay, you guys. I put the whole bag of broccoli, the whole carton of chicken broth, and the whole can of tomatoes, the whole onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to put the entire bag of kale, organic. And this will literally, I know it seems like a lot, cook down to nothing. And this is pre-washed, triple washed. So, good to go. That will cook down to nothing in no time. There we go. Now we'll let this cook a little bit. Okay, you guys. See? That cooked down to hardly. They cook away. There's a lot of greens in there. A lot of kale. But you see how much it takes to make some. Because I want to make some extra for meals throughout the week and some to freeze also. So now we can go ahead and put our baby spinach in. Lots and lots of baby spinach. Because it will cook down just like the kale did. There. Right. And this is also triple washed, ready to eat. And then, of course, we're going to cook it. There we go. See, it just like melts. And now we'll cook that up. And check our chicken. And looky there, you guys. Your power green melody is done. Look at that. It's beautiful. And I got enough, like I said, to freeze. There. Look at that. It just looks so good. The house smells wonderful. So, I've got Power Green Melody for months. In the freezer, it will go. Okay, you guys, halfway through on my drumsticks and my chicken wings, I'll do this and get all that off of them. Yeah, there's a lot comes off. And this parchment paper is amazing. Makes cleanup a lot easier. A whole lot easier. But yeah, get all that off there. Yeah. Okay. See how much we got? Wow. That's a lot of chicken grease. And then I get my little tongs out of the dishwasher. Sorry about that, guys. And then, okay, where's the light? Help you out some here. There. And I'll just flip them off and put it back in. Flip each piece. Ooh, that chicken got his leg broke. And wait. But yes, flip it off and then put it back in. Okay, you guys, I got each and every piece flipped over. And now I'm going to put it back in the oven. There we go. Alrighty. And I thought while that was cooking and the veggies were finishing and the rice, oh look at that, it's cooking nice. It's steam shooting up there. Yeah, I thought I would take you over here and show you the new candles I got. Also got the new, for after I eat, let me get there. The new Better Homes and Garden, the August. Keep it cool. It's melon time, but it looked like a really good magazine. And I also got my August issue of Southern Living, and it's the before and after. And this is funny too. My nails are matching everything. It even matched my nail. And this is the August issue. But that's going to be a good one. And I also got some candles from, this is Yankee. Yeah, a Yankee candle. Oh, there you go. But it's hurricane season. So I'd go ahead and get some nice candles. Summer candles. And this one is Life's a Breeze. This reminds me of the line dry cotton. And I also got oh, this is a returning storm watch. So this is really appropriate for hurricane season. Now let's see what that one smells like. It's very similar to the line dry cotton or the other linen one, I forget. Clean cotton, yeah, that's what the other one is. But this is a new one here, and the poolside oasis. It's just fresh, clean. That's just the kind of scents I go for. I'm gonna leave the lids off these because I'm gonna set them about the house. Because it is, yeah, see, this is a clean cotton. Yes, they all smell very similar to that. But that's what I love. And I also got this steam cleaner. Absolutely love it. ThermoPro 211. But this part of it, you can literally pop it off and like clean around the edges of your sink. You can use this upright to clean like the showers, sink drains. Really works good. Love this thing. But I thought I would share those with you. And it also has all the little adapters and stuff. See, like this little thing. And I mean the steam blast out of it too. But I put it up underneath my faucets and in my shower faucets. It has this one, clean your shower stall. And then this gets in all the little edges and nooks and crannies. And And then it has this little thing. But really works good. Alrighty. That was some of my hurricane season stuff. And then just, I got me one of those little stink cleaners. I wanted to share that with you. Now let's get back to the kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys what beautiful rice that made. Look at that. Get that out of the way. So every shot. Sorry about that. It's because I clean as I go. And I keep it clean. But look at that. Isn't it lovely? So I thought I'd make some extras so I could make me some rice pudding. Okay, you guys. I'm going to plate this up now and see how it turned out. Start off by getting our chicken out of the oven. And this is how I make my chicken. Owie. Like in the oven, but it's like it's fried. Literally, it's like fried chicken. The parchment paper is magic, okay? And I get clean utensils, not the ones that I cooked with. Always. And we'll start off with a nice plate of rice. This rice turns out perfect every time. Love this rice maker. There's our rice. The pan's extremely hot. So we'll kind of move this all over. And put that on that. And there we go. Cover the rice back up. And look how this chicken turned out. Oh, it's just like, it's crispy. I hope you can see that. There. But it's literally crispy. So yummy. It's crunchy, but it's not dry, which is super important. You don't want it dry. It's literally perfect all the way around. And the drumsticks, oh my goodness. Perfect. Look at that. The chicken is absolutely, and it's baked, so better for you, right? And now our power greens. Oh, and they're so lovely too. And there you go. And this is a way to keep yourself healthy and eat your salad greens, because, I don't know, I've been wanting to cook everything. So this is a good way to get your salad greens during these times and be able to cook them and feel good about it. But that's what's for dinner. And then after, I use this Jell-O instant pudding, and I'll add the leftover rice, like a cup and a half, or you can make it to whatever, however you like it, but just add some of the rice to this, and I'll have rice pudding. And you can also add raisins to that if you want. But that's what's for dinner. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. You guys stay healthy, happy, eat good, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh wait, you guys, come here. Stella, look, you want some chicken? Say goodbye to everybody. She's like, give me that chicken. Oh, we're going to have chicken now. Alrighty, guys. I didn't want to say bye without letting Stella. Come here. Say bye, you guys. Here, let's turn the light off. Here. There. Say, okay, we're going to go eat. Have a great week. Bye-bye.